Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming power and battery. This prevents mid-study loss. Once power is confirmed, inspect probes and cables for visible damage and clean connectors. Make sure the CTG's internal clock and patient ID are entered so recordings are time-stamped correctly. This matters for legal and clinical tracing. Connect the belts loosely to patient first, then tighten for comfort. You need to position the fetal probe roughly at the strongest heart tones, and the toco in the fundal area. Once belts are in place, calibrate probe placement. Small shifts change signal quality. You must adjust the fetal Doppler until you get a clear waveform, then tighten the belt to hold it steady. This reduces artifact. Next, position the toco over the fundus to capture contractions. Make sure it sits over soft tissue, not bone. Configure device settings. Set gain to avoid clipping, define fetal heart rate alarm limits, and choose paper speed or digital sampling. These choices affect interpretation and documentation. Start the monitor and observe real-time traces for at least 5 minutes to confirm stability. You want consistent FHR and contraction morphology. Make sure maternal vitals and patient position are documented, and note any movement or interventions that could alter readings. Once satisfied, save or print the baseline strip and explain alarms to staff. If you lose signal, first check connectors and belt tension. If that fails, reposition probes, swap cables, or restart the unit. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.